Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I will be discussing the health benefits of eating garlic raw and roasted. Before we dive deep into garlic, please click that subscribe button so you won't miss any videos. Plus, it helps the channel grow. Ever wondered if eating garlic raw is healthier than roasting it, or vice versa? You're about to find out that both raw and roasted garlic have unique benefits, and each one serves a specific purpose. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which garlic form works best for your health goals, and how to use both to maximize benefits. Oh, and we'll also answer the question you've probably wondered: which one causes more garlic breath? Roasted garlic has a sweet, mild flavor, and the cloves become soft and creamy, perfect for spreading on bread or blending into soups. It's easy on the stomach too, so if raw garlic has ever made you feel bloated or uncomfortable, roasted garlic might be the way to go. On the flip side, raw garlic has that sharp, pungent flavor that adds a punch to dressings and salsas, but it can be tough on digestion. Raw garlic is often linked with heartburn or stomach issues, especially when eaten on an empty stomach. Here's where things get really interesting. Raw garlic is packed with allicin, a powerful antioxidant and natural antimicrobial compound. However, allicin is very delicate. It only forms when raw garlic is chopped or crushed, and it starts to break down quickly when exposed to heat. That's why raw garlic is known for immune-boosting benefits. It hits fast and hard. Roasted garlic, on the other hand, has a different edge. While the heat reduces some allicin, it enhances other antioxidants like polyphenols. These compounds play a key role in reducing inflammation and supporting long-term heart health. So while roasting changes the nutrient profile, it's still extremely beneficial. Now let's talk about heart health, because garlic in any form can make a difference. Raw garlic is more potent when it comes to lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Studies show that allicin helps relax blood vessels and improves circulation, which is great for managing hypertension. But the intensity of raw garlic might make it hard for some people to eat every day. Roasted garlic, on the other hand, is easier to consume regularly. The antioxidants that develop through roasting can lower chronic inflammation, which is a major factor in heart disease. If you're trying to add garlic to your diet long-term, roasted garlic may be the way to go. It's easier to stick with and still offers solid heart health benefits. Both raw and roasted garlic support your immune system, but raw garlic has the upper hand. Its high allicin content makes it more effective at fighting infections, so if you feel a cold coming on, raw garlic might be your best friend. However, it does come with a catch: garlic breath. We've all been there. Raw garlic can leave your breath smelling intense, and unfortunately, brushing your teeth doesn't help much. Roasted garlic, on the other hand, is far more socially friendly. It won't leave you with the same lingering odor, which makes it easier to enjoy without worrying about offending anyone. So which one is better, raw or roasted garlic? The answer depends on your health goals and personal preferences. If you're focused on boosting your immune system or tackling heart health with quick results, raw garlic is the way to go. But if you want something easier on the stomach that still offers anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular benefits, then roasted garlic is your friend. The good news? You don't have to choose. Incorporating both raw and roasted garlic into your meals gives you the best of both worlds. Try roasted garlic in soups or spreads, and add raw garlic to your salad dressings for a powerful health boost. That's it for today's video. Now that you know the benefits of both roasted and raw garlic, how will you incorporate them into your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health comparisons just like this one. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.